Hello friends, let's continue our discussion about designing an optimal matching algorithm. And we started with our very first approach using linked list as our data structure. So far, we have already implemented the matching algorithm just using linked list. And then we also implemented in our previous videos the follow-up one, in which we were able to disseminate market data for level 1 and level 2. And then follow-up 2, in which we implemented cancellation of an order. And in just the previous video, we implemented the amendment. But in amendment, as we discussed, there are three cases possible, three use cases. One is the amendment of only quantity. Second one is the amendment of only price. And the third one is the amendment on both quantity and price. So in the previous video, we did for amendment of an order only for quantity. And amendment of an order only on price would be exactly similar, quite similar. It's just that, we are only going to update the price. And once we update the price, the difference would be here is that there's a possibility that the matching can happen. So let's see our implementation. So I'll go back to my implementation here. So in the previous one, we did for OrderID for only the quantity part. Now this is the second API, second method, in which we are going to only amend the price. And as mentioned that if I change the price, there's a possibility of matching as well. Okay, so first of all, whenever I try to amend an order, I expect that it should be already available in the order book. If it's not there, then it should be throwing an illegal argument exception. Or if the price is some garbled value, first of all, price cannot be less than 1. If it's less than 1, then it's definitely an error from the client side, and thus we have to throw an exception. Now, if everything is good, now first of all, we'll get from our hash map or order cache that we're maintaining, we'll get the order, and then we set the price as the new price which has been sent. It is O1 complexity. And again, as discussed in the previous video, for amend quantity, similar approach where we are going to use for price as well. First of all, we have to remove the order from the order book and then add this amended order with this amended price again to the order book. So remove order is is straightforward. That first of all, you have to remove it from our order cache as well as linked list of buy orders and sell orders, which is ON. And then when we add it back, as we mentioned that we have to do also sorting, right? If the matching doesn't happen and if we have got some residual quantity left, then we have to sort it as well. And sorting always take n log n. So remove order is here. So we have seen that remove is just removing from the order cache and then removing from our linked list, which is ON. And when we want to add it, again, we have to match the orders first because we are changing the price here. So matching, again, just quickly revise it that what the matching does. First of all, it will see that once the price is changed, right? So it's possible that the opposite side order, whenever we have the matching algorithm always says that if we have got the best buy order price greater than or equal to the best or the lowest sell order price, only then the matching will happen. Okay. So this is our algorithm. In the very previous videos, you can see that I have gone through the details about this whole algorithm, but the high level I just discussed. So for example, if a buy order is sent, the price is changed to a higher level for buy. There's a possibility that there's a sell order in our order book which is lower than that amended price. Then there's a possibility of matching. Similarly, if I'm trying to amend a sell order, and after the amendment, the price goes very lower than the best buy order price, then also the matching can happen. And when the matching happens, it will match it. And finally, if anything is left, the order is not fully filled, only then we will add it back to the order book. And once we add it to the order book, we have to again add it to our order cache, which is the key is the order ID and the value is the order itself. And then for buy or sell order, we have to just based on the price and time priority, we have to place it and sort it. So it should be n log n again. So this was about the implementation. And let's go through test case now. So this is test order amend price. So first of all, we will maintain an order book first, in which we will having 3 buy orders and 3 sell orders resting in our order book. And we send a new order after buy order of 210. And then we'll print order book before amendment. After that, we will amend using this amend order for the same order quantity as this one. And then change the price from 10 to 20. This is what I'm doing. And then again, I will print it our order book here. So I don't expect that the matching would be happening because again, this 20 buy order is again less than the the best sell order price available. So that's why it will not match. So we can try with some other scenarios as well. But here I'm just trying to keep it simple. And this is our main assertion that our amended order should be resting in our order book, having the price as 20. So let me run this quickly. So it's working as expected. So first of all, we set our order book with 3 sell orders and 3 buy orders. Then I send a new buy order of 210. So order book before amendment is that, we can see that this new order has been placed here at the bottom of our buy order book because the price is quite less, right? So based on price time priority, it should be placed at the last. If it was like greater than 20.2, then it would be placed at the best order. And if it was even greater than 20.25, then there was a possibility of matching it with the sell orders. Okay, so just keep it simple. I keep the price as lowest so that it goes to the bottom. After that, I have tried the amendment from 10 to 20, and this is what I expect, that order should be amended, and it should be shown here in our order book. So we can see that the price has been amended to 20. So this is all about amendment of order for price only. In the next video, we will see amendment of both price and quantity. So see you all in the next video.